Good morning to one and all present here. Aditi Malik is here to speak in front of you. A staunch enemy of communalism. He is like a shadow tree under which people get refuge. He is like a rose whose fragrance fades, the strength of motivation. In the dazzling glare of his character, all the flares are faded. He is the Iron Man of Indian politics. He is toughness and steel. Tough was his body. Tough was his emotions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Tanvi of class 10C, is going to present my poem on Iron Man of India. A staunch enemy of communalism, a lover of peace and tranquility, always ready to make sacrifices for the sake of unity and fraternity. He is a Masiha of sad hearts. He is the hope amidst disappointments. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, myself Nandini Rai of class 10th B is here to recite a poem on the topic The Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I remember the story of that great person who fought for our freedom and was great, who was our first home minister. I remember his story, who fought for the unity, who gave his whole life for his country. I remember the story of Iron Man who never melted against evil, whose face was attractive and nose was quite big. I remember his statue of unity, who wanted his country to be united, who got the designation of Sardar. I salute Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you.
मेरा नाम याचना है। मैं 10वीं ड की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। लोक पुरुष की ऐसी छवि ना देखी ना सोची कभी। आवाज में सिंह सी दहाड़ थी, हृदय में कोमलता की पुकार थी। एकता का स्वरूप जो इंसान रचा, देश का मानचित्र पल भर में बदला। गरीबों का सरदार था वो, दुश्मनों के लिए लोहा था वो। आंधी की तरह बहता गया, ज्वालामुखी सा धधकता गया, बनकर गांधी का अहिंसा शस्त्र, महकता गया जैसे कोई ब्रह्मास्त्र। इतिहास की गलियों में खोजते थे जिसे, ऐसा सरदार फिर मिलेगा न कभी।
Greetings all, I am Manu of class 10A is going to recite a poem on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In the heated struggle of independence, when the 1875 winter was getting intense, Amnesia was born in the streets of Peace Lawn, who planted a rose of freedom from his British thorn. A religious man, they called him Sardar, the left hand of Gandhi and the right of the farmers. An iconic personality of truth, justice and courage, a scatter of 562 priceless states, Rajwadas and kings. He consolidated diversity in one nation, strengthening India together with people of common blood relation. Years of this Iron Man have passed away. Let's pay tribute to this great leader on this Unity Day. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अक्षत नोटियाल है। मैं 10वीं अ का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आपके समक्ष मैं एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। लोह पुरुष की ऐसी छवि न देखी न सोची कभी, आवाज़ में सिंह सी धाड़ थी, हृदय में कोमलता की पुकार थी। एकता का स्वरूप जो इसने रचा, देश का मानचित्र पल भर में बदला। दुश्मनों के लिए लोहा था वो, अंधी की तरह बहता गया, ज्वालामुखी सा धधकता गया, बनकर गांधी का अहिंसा का शास्त्र, महकता गया विश्व में जिसे कोई भ्रास्त्र। इतिहास के गलियारे खोजते हैं जिसे, ऐसे सरदार पटेल अब ना मिलते पूरे विश्व में। धन्यवाद।
A very good morning to everyone. Today I, Mansi Padhya of class 10B, has got the opportunity to recite an English poem on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. The man of iron, toughness and steel, he was born in Gujarat and called Sardar with a great respect. He was the Masiha of sad hearts. He was the hope of amidst disappointments. He was like a shadowy tree under which people get refused. He was great in studies, Ahmedabad's lawyer of fame, the home minister of our free buddies. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was his name. He was the Iron Man of the country. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello everyone. Builder of a steel and strong India, efforted to unite the small kingdoms, inspired by the works of Gandhi, launched civil disobedience movement, worked against alcoholism and untouchability, succeeded in all works that he wanted to do, became first Home Minister and Deputy PM, constructed united and strong India. Such a man of courage and determination, Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you.